Tutorial 2, Creating a Job. To get started, click on the Jobs tab. In the upper right corner, you'll see a Create Job button. Click that, and it'll take you to Step 1, Create Job Offer. Before you proceed, it's important to understand how Meet AI handles language settings. There are two separate options. The first is the website language, which controls the language you see when browsing our site. You can change this anytime from the header at the top of any page, but it won't affect job postings. The second setting is the job language, which is the first option you'll see when creating a job. This determines both the language of your job posting and the language your AI avatar will use during interviews. Keep in mind that changing one language setting won't affect the other, so be sure to select the right one for your needs. When filling out the Create Job Offer form, make sure to complete all text fields and drop-down menus with accurate details. A clear and specific job title is essential, along with any required skills, software knowledge, or certifications. The more precise the information, the better our system can generate a strong job description and provide your AI avatar with relevant details for candidate interviews. Once you've entered all the details, click the Auto-Generate Job Description button. You can use this as many times as needed until you get a description you're happy with. Think of this as a starting point you can edit and expand on it as needed. Keep in mind that candidates will see this exact description, so make sure it's clear and compelling. Any benefits, like health plans or 401k options, should also be included here. The system will already list the job's key details you entered above separately, so there's no need to repeat them unless you want to provide additional context. Below the job description, you'll find the Connect Note field. This is the message that will be sent from your LinkedIn account inviting candidates to apply. A more personalized message increases the chances of engagement, so be sure to use the first name tag to address each candidate directly. At the end of your message, include the URL tag, which automatically inserts the job posting link so candidates can easily view and apply. Press the Submit and Next button. Step 2 is all about creating the interview questions your AI avatar will ask candidates. You can start by clicking the Generate Questions button, which will automatically create a set of questions for you. If you're not satisfied with the first set, you can press the button as many times as needed to generate new options. Feel free to keep the questions that work, edit them to better fit your needs, or remove any that aren't relevant. If you prefer, you can also write your own questions from scratch. Just make sure each one is clear and concise, ideally fitting into a single sentence. Once you're happy with your list, click Submit and Next to move forward. Step 3 is where you select your AI avatar. The language your avatar speaks during the interview is determined by the language you chose for the job posting in Step 1. Simply pick your preferred avatar and click Submit Job to finalize your posting. Once submitted, you'll be taken back to the jobs page where you'll see your newly created job listed. That's it, you've successfully created your first job. In the next tutorial, we'll cover how to preview the job posting, conduct a test interview, and automatically find and source candidates with Meet AI.
AI recruiting, AI scheduling, AI interviews. It's time to meet AI.